Good evening. My name is Mr. Suzuki, and I teach Math 7 Honors. Welcome to Back to School Night. What I plan to do tonight is to talk about some points that I feel are important for this class. So let's begin. First, what is Math 7 Honors? Isn't it just a regular or an honors course? Yes, it is that, but a little bit more. It is an accelerated course. What I mean by that is that the students will be covering key standards for all of 7th and half of 8th. So imagine that, all that crammed into 1 year. So it is going to be a challenge, but a doable challenge. I strongly recommend that you know the routine. There will be live Zoom sessions twice a week, and on the days that we don't meet, there will be asynchronous learning going on. There will be an assignment every day, and that assignment will be due later that same day. In terms of tests and quizzes, there will be one every roughly 2 weeks. So what happens if a student receives a low score? What I've decided this year is that I will let the student retake the test after completing a short assignment. What do we offer in terms of math support? There are two opportunities, I guess. The first one is period-specific help from Tuesdays to Thursdays. And that is primarily for students who I feel could use some additional support. The second opportunity is just generic office hours on Fridays from 1:15 to 3 p.m., and that's open to everyone. So please pay attention to Google Classroom because more details will be posted soon. What about curriculum and resources? The curriculum that we will be using is called Open Up Resources, otherwise known as OUR. And I'm really excited about this. Why? Because it's an online problem-based learning curriculum. So students will be problem-solving in groups, they'll be discussing, and whatever discoveries they make, they will be using that to solve other problems. And it's just different from all the other curriculums that students have used in the past. I will also provide slide decks for all the kids prior to every lesson, and they will be able to take notes in that. At the bottom of the screen, you will see additional resources that I may be using to help with the learning process. What are my expectations when we meet live? Well, 1, be on time. 2, cameras on, mics off. And I think that's really important because if I'm able to see students' faces, I can get a feel for 1, are they engaged? 2, do they understand the concepts? 3, they really should be taking notes on the slide decks. I provide spaces for note-taking, so the students really should be taking advantage of that. Now the next one is an important one too. The students really need to be an active participant. The students who are engaged, they get so much more out of this curriculum than the students who just sit and watch. And last but not least, if they have questions, I can't stress enough, have them come to me and ask for help. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me at the email right there, hsuzuki@monroviaschools.net, or through Parent Square. That's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Take care.